FOMO leads to bad decisions. आज मैं एक इंस्टेंस शेयर करना चाहूँगा. कुछ टाइम पहले क्रिप्टो वो बूमिंग, डॉज कॉइन, बिटकॉइन, एथेरियम, शिबुया, I don't know. And also I remember a lot of people were going through some financial crunch at that time, and obviously they're working for it, but there are cut-offs, a lot of people were getting laid off. It was a very depressive and anxiety wala time. And then there's a boom of people who are good at their social media game. So I don't know if they really made that much money or just they were बहती गंगा में हाथ धो रहे थे on people's insecurities, and everyone is like crypto नहीं कर रहे तो क्या. One of my acquaintance तो even suggested bro घर भेज दे और पूरा bitcoin में डाल दे. Thank God मेरा mob थोड़ा strong था, so I didn't take that advice. But regardless, even I got affected with that FOMO. एंड माई थिंग वॉजंट कि मेरी जो बहुत टाइम की सेविंग्स है उठाता हूँ, एक अकाउंट जैसे भी बनेगा उसमें डाल देता हूँ. आई रियली गॉट फोमो एंड आई रियली गॉट इन टू द gist of I want to learn this. Before investing, I would want to learn this. So investing in this, I'm not saying is bad. But the FOMO से bad decision is taking abrupt or hasty decisions. So I enrolled for a class जिसमें वो 3 महीने तक basic stock market को मेरे को पढ़ाने वाले थे. फॉर मी आई न्यू फॉर अ रीज़न कि मैं अपने आइसक्रीम वाले बिजनेस में ही बिजी होने वाला हूँ इन द कमिंग फ्यू मंथ्स. सो आई एम लर्निंग दिस मोस्टली टू गेट माई फोमो ऑफ कि ये है क्या, ये नॉलेज तो हो, अवेयरनेस तो हो मुझे. सो आई डिस्कस विद माई टीचर कि प्रॉबली आई एम गोना गेट बैक टू माई बिजनेस इन 2-3 months. आई एम जस्ट सो शी हैड अ सेइंग कि उस गली में घुसना ही क्यों जिसमें जाना नहीं है. बट आई हैड अ डिफरेंट सेइंग. मुझे ये सारी गलियाँ बुलाती हैं, मुझे जाना है, मुझे इन सब में जाना है, बट मुझे इनमें खोना नहीं है. सो आई वॉन्टेड टू नो कि मैं दूर से देख कर इन्वेस्ट कर दूँ या आई वॉन्ट गेट द टॉप सर्फेस लेवल नॉलेज. ऑब्वियसली इफ यू वांट बिकम समथिंग, सर्फेस वाली नॉलेज से कुछ भी नहीं होगा. यू हैव टू गो डीप इन इट, बट जस्ट टू गेट दैट फोमो ऑफ. I didn't want to invest my hard-earned savings and then be like, oh ho, यहाँ तो flop हो गया, ये गलत है, वो गलत है. I'm not saying anything is wrong, but I'm saying I want to get that knowledge for a brief time. We started the classes. I was one of the nerdiest kids, like I said, and then I used to get okay, Nishkarsh, and what this skill required of me, continuously making monitoring charts and all that. It's a very well structured everything, but I knew myself, मेरे mob में I get anxiety way too early, and these are factors which are not completely controllable. I do business, उनमें anxiety होती है, उनमें stress. I'm not avoiding. So these are very well structured markets and everything, but I knew निष्कर्ष के mob में anxiety level है. So I'll keep on looking at stuff and I'll make myself more anxious, and I'm not saying I run away from anxiety. So these are very well structured markets and everything is very technical, but I realized one thing about Nishkarsh's mob. मुझे anxiety होने के बहुत chances थे because these had a lot of third people interference जिस पे मेरा कुछ control नहीं है. I have my share of anxiety and stress in my business, but I know that's controllable because मुझे पता है employees से कैसे deal करना है और client से कैसे deal करना है. So I'm okay with the anxiety, but I knew that is not the anxiety which Nishkarsh wants to take. If it's something someone can take, good. But my thing is understand your mob. Just because something looks lucrative and some people are doing crazily good, you don't have to follow them blindly. Follow them for a bit, learn them, and then decide if this is for me or if this is not.